In this video we will discuss how to detox your liver in natural way. Liver is a vital organ, responsible to get rid of toxins that the body produces on daily basis. Fatty liver means liver full of fat. Fatty liver can lead to permanent liver damage, but worry not. If you treat it on right time, it could be reversible by incorporating certain foods into your diet. Number 1. Berries are known for their high content of antioxidants, including vitamins like vitamin C and compounds like anthocyanins. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is a key factor in liver inflammation and injury associated with fatty liver disease. Number 2. Garlic is a flavorful and aromatic herb that has been studied for its potential health benefits, including its effects on liver health. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is known to contribute to liver inflammation and injury in conditions like fatty liver disease. Number 3. Nuts are nutrient-dense foods that can be a beneficial part of a diet aimed at supporting liver health, including for individuals with fatty liver disease. Nuts are rich in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. These fats can help improve lipid profiles by reducing levels of triglycerides and promoting HDL, good cholesterol. Number 4. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Chronic oxidative stress can contribute to liver damage, and antioxidants in green tea can help mitigate this. Number 5. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been studied for its potential health benefits, including its effects on fatty liver disease. Curcumin is known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to the development and progression of fatty liver disease. Curcumins may help reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 6. Legumes are excellent sources of dietary fiber, including soluble and insoluble fibers. Fiber can help improve digestion, promote satiety, feeling full, and regulate blood sugar levels. These effects can be beneficial for managing fatty liver disease. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for updated videos.